After everything we've done to rebuild this engine, the last thing I wanted to hear was that. Okay, so the surface is cleaned and it's ready to accept the top. So what I'm thinking of doing now is to remove this guy. Might cause a disturbance. Also, I'm thinking of this, but it might be too much of a hassle. So let me just remove this one here. Today we are finally putting the cylinder head back into the block. The surface needs to be perfectly clean. We've got a brand new metal head gasket, and then I have to torque these bolts down according to manufacturer specifications and in the correct sequence. But when it came time to make those final 90-degree turns, things got a little worrying. Let's find out if I actually broke something. I've also hidden airtime vouchers at random locations in this video, so keep your eyes open because it can appear at any point. So we are switching gears now, going to a point of no return where we are putting back things. So the first thing that I will do is install this gasket. As you can see, it's a metal one. It says top. So what does it say on this side? Nothing. So it tells me it's going on this way. So let me put it in and see. There we go. A perfect fit. So let us get the top and then put it on here. So it's in now, with just one bolt. So I'm gonna put in the rest of the head studs. I presume this one goes here. Okay, so I'm just gonna drive them down with just the hands. I will be using this new torque wrench to torque down the head bolts. So this is how I set my torque. So the first one is 40 all round, following a specific pattern. So let's start with that. So this is my torque settings for the second stage, and then after this we'll just do 290 degrees. So remember, we're still following the same pattern. I've marked all of them with T-pegs on the one side, and then I'm gonna turn them 90 degrees, and then I'll do another 90 degrees. This is gonna be mega tough. Okay, so 130. I'm just gonna show you guys one. As you can see, it needs some focus and a lot of space. Yeah, 90 degrees. Almost. Reset it back to 0, then do another one. Here we go. Another 90 degrees. Right on the dot. Okay. Just a little bit. So I've graded my tool here. This guy just got 90. There's his 90. check out this gunk on the oil filter. Just like it.